So here's problem 612 again, just with different numbers. You are still finding your test statistic in the same way. So we have our p hat and we have our p. So we have p hat minus p here, right? When we're finding our standard error, we need to use our population parameter, which in this case is 0.4, and then we're going to plug 80 in for our size, our sample size. Anywho, so I've plugged all this stuff into this Excel sheet. I've got p hat and I've got p. This automatically changes because it's based on this one, and then we've got 80. It says my standard error is this number. Notice, once again, this is B4, so it's based on the population parameter, so this is really 0.4 and 0.4. This is my standard error, and then my test statistic is this equation here carried out with my standard error plugged in, right? So it's A4, which is this, minus the mean, or minus the population parameter, divided by my standard error, which is this number.